Hello, welcome to Day 3 Notes, where we're going to create and compare dot plots, box plots, and histograms. But before we get into that, let's take a look at some things to describe them. When looking at the spread of distribution, we could describe it as less spread or more spread. If a distribution has less spread, that means it has less variability, therefore more consistent. If a distribution has more spread, we could say it has more variability, therefore it's less consistent. Okay, moving on to the shape of distribution. We see here in this first diagram, it looks like a bell. The bell shape is symmetric. That means it's even on both sides. It has data even on both sides, and the mean and median are very close together. If something is skewed right, that means the tail is on the right and most of the data lies on the left. Since the larger values, there are a few larger values that are being pulled into the data, that throws the mean off, and therefore it becomes larger than the median. If a set of data is skewed left, that means most of the data lies with the higher variables, but the very few values that are lower on the left are pulled in and throwing off the mean, so the mean is smaller than the median, and the tail is on the left. So we can tell if something is skewed right or skewed left by whether or not the tail is on the right or left.